Wilcox, and Lieutenant General Jonathan Braga, both from the U.S. Army. Fort Bragg Garrison Commander Colonel John Wilcox graduated from Virginia Military Institute in 1999. He deployed twice in support of Operation Enduring Freedom and later deployed to Afghanistan as part of NATO Special Operations Component Command Afghanistan. His most recent assignment was Deputy Chief of Staff G5 for USASOC in 2021, where he helped set the course for the USASOC enterprise over the next 10 to 15 years. Lieutenant General Braga was commissioned as an officer in 1991 after attending the U.S. Military Academy. He served as an infantry officer before graduating from the Special Forces Qualification Course. He completed numerous deployments and humanitarian relief operations throughout his career and served in several command and staff positions before assuming command of U.S. Army Special Operations Command in 2021. At this time, we ask the Hurricanes Captain George Stahl and U.S. Andrew Slade join us at center ice for a ceremonial face-off. Thank you for your service to our country, for joining us here on Military Appreciation Night.